Looking to bring your classic Ford six-cylinder engine back to life with the performance and reliability it once had? Meet the Partol YF Carburetor Carter-style carburetor, designed specifically for Ford inline six engines, the 240, 250, and the legendary 300 cubic inch motors. Hello friends, welcome to all of you who are watching this video of mine. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Looking to bring your classic Ford six-cylinder engine back to life with the performance and reliability it once had? Meet the Partol YF Carburetor Carter-style carburetor, designed specifically for Ford inline six engines, the 240, 250, and the legendary 300 cubic inch motors. Whether you're restoring a vintage F-Series pickup, a Bronco, or a custom project car, this C1 IF-type carburetor offers OEM-style fitment, smooth throttle response, and dependable cold starts. This YF carburetor is a direct fit replacement for a wide range of Ford vehicles equipped with the six-cylinder engines from the 1960s through the 1980s. Compatible with Ford 240 CID3 9L engines, Ford 250 CID4 1L engines, Ford 300 CID4 9L engines. It's especially popular among Ford trucks like the F-100, F-150, and early Broncos. If your original carburetor was a Carter YF or had the C1 IF stamp, this is the perfect match. Here's what sets the Partol YF carburetor apart. OEM fit and finish, cast to match original Carter YF specs, with bolt patterns and linkage placement identical to factory. Improved fuel atomization, delivers better combustion efficiency and throttle response. Manual choke for precision control, perfect for cold mornings and high-altitude starts. Preset for Ford timing and mixture, tuned for easy bolt-on installation with minimal adjustment needed. Durable zinc alloy body, corrosion-resistant and built to last for years of dependable performance. Precision machined components for smooth operation. Factory tested for flow and leak integrity. Includes gasket and hardware for a complete install. Trusted by restoration pros and weekend wrenches alike. Don't let a worn-out carburetor hold your classic Ford back. Upgrade to the Partol YF Carter-style carburetor and enjoy better starts, smoother idle, and classic performance just like the factory intended. Order yours today and get back on the road or the trail with confidence. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But bye.